But I think what you're bringing up actually relates really well to the question that we got from one of our audience members, saying, not naming anyone, but what about all those executives who outsource their LinkedIn presence to junior staff? I would think that for some executives, attempting to post once 4 times a week might seem insurmountable given the other things on their plate, or like not the best use of their time. At the same time, there's a lot of upside. How do you work with executives on that, and any guidance in terms of that instinct to outsource to junior staff?
I think it's fine to outsource the writing. It's not, and the publishing and all of that. I don't think it's a good idea to outsource the insights. And I say that to specific people listening, like if you are an expert, you can't really outsource that. And I see people trying to get others to write articles and to write things. It's like, I think you've got it wrong there. Like if you are at the forefront of an industry, of a role, of anything, by definition, no one's going to be able to create that content for you. And so the process that we use, and you can approximate this process internally as well, but the process that we use is expert-led interviews. So we bring, from our team, we use ex-consultants from McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Accenture. They meet with the CEO, they meet with the executive, and they ask questions to pull out insights. And what that does when you do it in a format like this, where you're recording it, we can record it, we can get their insights in their words, in their phrasing, with their stories. We can capture that authenticity. And then our job, or the job of our full-time writers, is to take that and turn it into the format that will work well on LinkedIn. And there's specific copywriting rules for LinkedIn, and we can go into that. But that's what I would recommend for people. I don't have any problem outsourcing the support of this, but what you really need to hold precious and sacred is the insights and the authenticity. And I would suggest that an interview format is the most efficient way to do that.